And you can see my cart is empty. I will try to add product by our listing. If I click here, you will see information of products which we define in our controller. So go to controller, HTTP cart controller. Here we are returning the product, but we need to update our cart. So we need to display here information. For that, you have to add some information about your product. Like suppose you copy this. So, this is the GitHub which we installed in the last video. Here you just put this information in a variable and add here. Let me show you. Still we don't need this option, so I remove this because we don't have any size. So here is price, here is ID. So put here pro ID and name of product, simply pro variable, and field name is pro name, and quantity by default 1, and price pro price. Save it. Now if I go to again products table, I mean products page, and click on any product, add to cart. Now product is add successfully. Let me check on cart information. Here is your name of product, gulab jamun, quantity 1, price 302, option empty, text subtotal. That's it. Now we need to display in our cart view. Where is my cart view? Let me show you. I have a theme folder, and inside the theme I have a cart.php. We have to grab this code and we will use here. So for that, first of all, we need to pass this information cart, and here we say return view cart dot index. So cart will be our directory folder name, and here you will say data and here cart. That's fine. Semicolon, save it. Now create a new folder inside your view. Here you will say cart, and inside cart you will say new file index dot blade dot php. Let me reload this data. Now if I click on cart, let me introduce some, yeah, my base front master. Okay, not master here. Here we can copy this one. Okay, just copy this, and inside here and section. Okay, reload. Now let me check my something like a cart page. Fine. Now it's add item, and here I think I did something wrong. We don't need to redirect here. You just put here cart and reload this to cart this. So you don't need to this. We will figure out again after later. Now reload the cart. Here is your cart. Now let me add some, yes, this breadcrumb container. So Let me check my count. This page is okay, I think. We can copy this row, this 12, and this row. So 3 div for our this one. Here you will close 3 div, copy this and paste there is the content, and here you will say just remove this and put here cart. Let me check design, and here is the cart information. That's it. Now you will put here your design. Okay, here you will say design of cart page. Put here and here and now open your theme folder, and where you can see cart.php. Okay, and here is a shopping cart billing. You need this type of row. Second is main row. Just copy this and paste it. Reload, and here your data. Okay, that's nice. Change the value of your product name, everything. Mm, First of all, check my cart row. Okay, here is the cart row, and it's two product. This is the row. Ah, it's the second time, and yeah, here you can check this one and this one. Let me figure out. This is for coupon, so don't need to this one. Here is the cart row two time, so you need to remove this for your loop, a single product, and here you will introduce your uh, loop. Okay, for each, and here data pro. Uh, Here it's end. Here you will end your for each. Okay. Here put name. Let me check if that's okay. Here is a add energy. It's dummy name. So here search for. Okay, here is a add energy. Here you will put your name, pro pro name. Okay. I don't think so. Let me check here. Cart is okay. And here we will reload our data. Data is coming. Okay. Here is a name, not a pro name. So sorry for that. We need to follow that value. Okay. And second is quantity price. Only price. Okay. So here you will put your price. Pro price. Now, here is a price, here is a name. Don't worry about this image. So, go to again products, add one more product for checking, and go to cart page. Now, you can see it's two product, gulab jamun, strawberry. Now, this time is we will add a total here and subtotal. Okay, so here is the total we will use here like a cart subtotal, save it, reload. What is subtotal is function, so use like this. Okay, here is 502. Hmm, if you use here total, it's 607 because it's your you can see it's your with add text. Okay, uh, here you put value. mm, Let me show you what is this. This will be pro price multiply pro quantity. Okay, reload. Here is your quantity. So we need to display this. So just here is two. Now try to add this product two times to see the difference of your total. So here is gulab jamun. Add again. Open cart. Here is 602. And quantity you can show here. Okay, let me show quantity value. Just put pro and put quantity is 2 is 1. uh, Update is not working now, but we can add remove here. But first of all, before the remove we have to add here subtotal and not discount, actually tax. We had here tax and total. So go to down. Here is subtotal. You will put here cart subtotal is function, and here you will add tax. Tax we will check how many percent. I will check, and here you will put pro tax. Okay, here add a dollar sign. It's your currency, so put anything, and here you will add pro total. Total also function, so that's why. Reload. Here is your total. Is total. Total is y. I think I need a grand total also. Hmm. Let me check. Tax subtotal count grand total. No, I need grand total. So maybe I think I have to add this total. So for that, it will be subtotal and tax. So for that, subtotal and plus pro tax. Yes. Reload. Hey, what is this? Let me check only subtotal. Here is subtotal. A subtotal. Hmm. Let me make it subtotal is will be your tax and plus pro subtotal is 200 and your plus tax no plus quant equal to quantity. I am little confused here. Quantity, hmm, quant shop undefined quantity. Where is quantity? My quantity. Let me check. Okay, quantity is not a function. Okay, quantity is 200. I think I am mistake something. For now, just make it total. Okay, I will figure out. Uh, for now, just add a remove. I will figure out what is that I am missing for total, and I will add in the next video. Now, if someone click on remove, I need to remove that button product. So for that, let me show you how remove is working. Go to your route web.php. Here, just for testing, add here get function test function, and here you have to add cart remove function with your id. Which id? Let me show you what is the id. uh, get my id just for testing function. Here you will see return cart function. Okay. If I go to my id, okay, single my id, here this is the id you need to remove the product. So if you put here, it will remove. Let me show you. Test, it's moved. Now you will see single product. Here is a single product. Let me show you my id. Here is remove that also with button. Let me add this cart, and here we will pass this. Remove this also. Here you will put uh, remove. Here is a remove href url cart remove pass id. Which is the id? Id we will pass here pro id. Let me reload. Okay, it's anchored there. Close, anchored. Reload. If you can see, it's id 18. If I click here, it will go to cart remove, which does not exist now. Here inside the cart functions, you will put here route dot cart remove id. Same we done before ads time. Here you will say remove. So you will make this function inside your cart controller. Make a new function, public function remove item which receiving the id, and here cart, remove, pass ID. That's it. Reload. Now, if done, return. I think back is work here or not. Let me check. I think this one. Click on remove. Okay, cart does not contain ID 18. Okay, not ID 18. Actually, not 18 ID. Let me return this ID first of all. It's 18. But we need row ID. Mm, here you will pass row ID. If I click, this is row ID. Sorry about that. We need to pass the row ID. And back. Okay. Reload. Click on remove. Now, variable pro undefined pro. So don't worry. I think it's working now. Go to again cart. Mm, okay. Here is a saying pro. Let me check with this array return. Okay, here's empty. Now if I go to products, add any products, add a two products. Now open your cart, and if cart is empty, that's why it's showing error. Because you can see here we have to check if mm, data data equal to 0, not 0. That's why we will show this. Okay, otherwise we can't show this. And if change this also scenario. Mm, Reload. It will go to your card controller, add atom. I think let me check on this. Yes, your card is empty, no problem. Go to products, add some products. Is added. Add two products. Go to cart, and here is your array. Okay, it's returning. I think that's why you can close this. Reload. Now you can see your view. Click on remove. It's removed. Reload. There is. Now let me try my back button. Reload. Click. Okay. Now your card is empty. That's why it's saying the error. For that, you just comment this for each. Okay. So sorry. Yes. Comment this. Reload. Okay. What is the line number? line number here, text. So you have to put this also inside your if. Uh, just make it clear. You have to put if condition close all of content. Okay, and you will say card is empty. Here you will say and if, or you can say empty h1 here. And uh, you can see if card is empty, it will show h1 with empty message. If not empty, then it will show by default. Reload. Okay, we have again error here. Let me check how we can define our cart value count. Okay, here you will put data. Reload. Okay, we have a error undefined pro. Where is the pro? Now I have comment this. Find pro. No pro. Okay, data is empty. We can see here cart count. Okay, cart count is 0. So you can ask here if cart count equal to not 0 and paste your content. If this is empty, then we will say it's empty. Reload. Okay. If cart is not empty, sorry, reload. Okay, it's empty. Now if I try to add some products, add, back, add, add one more. Now go to your cart. Here we have a 3 product. Click on remove. It's removed. Add time you add return back again. Reload. Go to your product. Add one more. Okay, it's add. Go to your cart. Here you can display your count. Resources, view, front, master, find cart. Here inside of 0 you will display cart count. Reload. There's 3 products. Okay, and put this anchor tag. What is an anchor tag? It's valuable with URL and cart. Simply reload. Click. Here your cart. 3 products. Remove. 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 Card is empty. That's it. Okay. In the next video, we will figure out and behind the scene, I will make it more beautiful, like add a new empty cart image, and you can get updated code from my Git. So see you in the next video. Thank you.